most people, their least favorite part about traveling is the actual transport part, but I think it's the most exciting because it's the most anticipation, and now I'm on a train, I'm having fun. So I'm going to see what kinds of things I can do on the train. Looks like we're pulling into the train station in Paris already. It's barely a 90-minute train ride. It's very quick. So those are the things you can do on a train between Brussels and Paris. So see you soon.